Most people say, I know data science. But at the moment mathematics comes into picture, confidence completely disappears. Not because maths is impossible, but because it was taught in a wrong manner. This course exists because data science without mathematics is shallow. You can use libraries, but you cannot think about it. You can run models, but you cannot know how to debug them. And sooner or later, you will realize that gap shows in interviews, that gap shows on the job. Welcome to Mathematics for Data Science course. This is not a traditional maths course. No memorization, no fear. Every concept here is taught with one single goal: to help you understand why data science models behave the way they do. We focus on what actually matters in real data sets: linear algebra, probability, stats, optimization basics. All of these combined together will help us to understand complete end-to-end data science pipeline. Every topic is directly mapped over here to real-world data, real-world use cases. Whether you talk about regression, classification, evaluation metric, model tuning, and let me explain you how the entire course will flow. It's a hybrid structure, so you can learn at your own pace. Recorded sessions will be there to help you build the concept at your own pace. In the month, I'll meet you all in a live mode 2 times, where we will try to solve the case studies. We will try to connect the maths to a real data set. I will try to showcase you the hands-on examples, not just formulas. We will try to experiment with the multiple assignments, practice problems which help us to build clarity in the concepts. In the live sessions, we do not rush, just like the way we have in other courses, right? We slow down where courses might skip. This is where real understanding is built. By the end of this course, I'm pretty sure you will stop fearing from maths. You will know how to explain the models in a confident manner. You will know how to make better decisions while building ML pipelines. You will stand out in interviews, in fact, in your jobs as well, because you know actually what you are doing. You will be able to understand where exactly its use case is. So if your goal is just to run the code, this course is not for you. But if your goal is to understand deeply what you are doing and why you are doing it, that is where this course comes into picture. Let's build this course in a right way with the clarity. I will see you all in the course.